Hey everyone, in today's WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a stunning animated birds background to your WordPress website using Elementor. This effect uses Vanta JS Birds, which makes your site look alive with moving birds floating across the background. It's fully customizable, lightweight, and super easy to use. On the settings page, you can customize the birds effect to match your website style. Let me walk you through each option. Background color. Choose the main background color of your section. This is the color behind the bird's background alpha. Adjust the transparency of the background. Set it to 1 for solid or lower for semi-transparent. Color 1 and color 2. Pick 2 colors for your birds. The plugin will animate the birds using these colors. Color mode. Select how the colors blend. You can choose from lerp, variance, lerp gradient, or variance gradient. Experiment with each to see which one looks best. Quantity. Set how many birds you want on your screen at a time from 1 to 5. Bird size. Control the size of each bird. Increase or decrease depending on your design. Wingspan. Adjust the bird wingspan to make the animation look more dynamic. Speed limit. Control how fast the birds fly. Separation, alignment, cohesion. These 3 settings control how birds interact with each other, how close they fly together, their alignment, and flock behavior. Adjust these to get a realistic flock effect. Let's dive in and learn how to add this amazing birds animation effect to any Elementor section. First things first, download this free and lightweight plugin from the link in the video description. Once downloaded, install it through your WordPress plugin settings, and you're ready to go. After activating the plugin, you'll notice a new menu called Vanta Birds under the settings. Click on it to open the plugin settings page. I've already explained these settings earlier, so now let's play around with them. After that, I'll show you how to easily add the effect to any Elementor section using a simple CSS class. To add the birds effect to any Elementor section, simply go to the Advanced tab of your section and enter the CSS class name Vanta-BG. That's it. Once you save your settings, you'll see animated birds gracefully flying across the background of your section. You can experiment with different colors, quantities, and bird sizes to get a unique effect for your site. This plugin is lightweight and won't slow down your page, making it perfect for Elementor users who want an eye-catching background. My current website background is already white, but you can experiment with different background colors and adjust the transparency. Let's give it a try. You'll also notice that the birds change direction when you move your mouse over them. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. You can download the plugin from the description below and start adding animated birds to your site right away. If you need any help applying this effect, drop a comment. I'll be happy to assist. Don't forget to check out my other custom add-on tutorials on the channel. Thank you.